let us welcome to the stage the Toronto Uyghur Group.
The Uyghur movement, and we will practice our religion. This is a message.
Wow. Ladies and gentlemen, Xi Jinping may be able to deprive Uyghurs of their human rights. However, he cannot intercept the whispers between two souls and the mutual pounding of two hearts. Now, reflecting the heartful yearning of the overseas Uyghurs who are so disconnected from their homeland, we present to you the song Yürek İçken. It is the heart.
And we would like to express our deepest gratitude to Ms. Samira and her family for their unwavering support. We could not have made this concert possible without their ongoing efforts. Thank you very much.
Thank you for coming out tonight and showing your support. From the bottom of our heart, we sincerely appreciate each and one of you. Please join us for future events and show your support for the Uyghurs. Thank you.
Aziz tomoshabinlar, shundan bilan bugungi xayr-saxovat san'at kechirigimiz mush yerda oxirlashdi. Hammalarni